You're a Firework. Isa itong sikat na kanta ni Katy Perry. Hindi ko nakakantahin dito syempre. Pero it sends a very positive message. Yung simula ng kanta, medyo negative, tungkol sa mga nararamdaman ng tao na parang basura sila. But towards the pre-chorus, nagiging positive na siya. It says something like, ignite the light and let it shine. Tapos dun sa chorus, sinasabing, you're a firework, show them what you're worth. Bakit ko to sinishare? Kasi the other night, nakakita ako ng fireworks. I attended a big anniversary celebration and towards the end, syempre may pa-fireworks. So pag may fireworks, hindi pwedeng hindi mo pansinin, di ba? Titingala ka talaga, mapapawaw ka. It gives us joy and helps us feel grateful to be alive. There may be days that you don't feel like a firework. You may feel na parang walang kwenta or useless or walang na-achieve. You're struggling. Pero we have to see that we all have that potential to shine and excel and win. No matter how difficult your situation, always have that hope that one day you'll do something great. And it may not be even something na kailangan malaman ng ibang tao. It may just be something great that you're doing for God, like loving the poor or loving your family. May kanya-kanya tayong ways to become a firework, to become an inspiration, to shine for others. Remember, life has its ups also. Hindi naman puro downs. Kaya when you have the opportunity, celebrate life, be happy, and know that God wants you to live life to the fullest.